I am from Network India. Please, can you explain about this product and technology, whatever you have?
Hi, I'm Saurav Tamar from EY. So what we are bringing with AI is actually to help the business owners. To put it very simply, you want to understand any applicability of a GST or income tax or withholding tax on any transaction, you just come here, punch in your query. To put it very simply, GST on intermediary services, GST on solar panels, GST on purchase of wheat, right? Whether it should be applicable or not, you can type in a query and you will get an answer. So you don't have to call up people, you just have to ask the question and get the answer. Plus, yeah.
Tell me about the person who has money, who are into business, but who doesn't know the technology or who doesn't have much knowledge, especially MSME.
Right.
There are 7 crore MSME, but only 5.5% are successful. 96% are struggling. They are still into the micro base. You
Right.
must be knowing. So out of 7 crore MSME, those who have registered with the Udyam, but only 16 to 17 lakhs are into actually operational. And everybody is struggling with the basic expenses. Like if they have a rent, they cannot hire a lawyer, they cannot hire CA, and this is the common expenses, okay, which is even for small people it is necessary. So you tell me your application or how it is going to make a difference to the medium and small people or
I'll
micro
put
level
it in a
people,
very
those who are into
simple
industry.
way. I'll put it in a very simple way. We used to Google, right? हम Google यूज़ करते थे. Google पे हम एक क्वेरी पूछते थे और उसके बाद हमें वेब पेजेस मिलते थे. उसमें हमें खुद रीड करना होता था आंसर. नाउ व्हेन यू टाइप इन अ क्वेरी इन गूगल टुडे यू गेट अ रेडी आंसर. आपको एक अप्रोच मिल जाती है कि if I have to go from place A to B, you will get a summary that you can do this, that, right? Now with AI coming into picture, that is also happening with tax. आज की डेट में आपको वेब लिंक्स ओपन नहीं करने, एक व्यू आपको मिल जाता है. इट इज़ लाइक यू स्पीकिंग विद एनी वन, राइट? सो यू आस्क देम अ क्वेश्चन एंड यू गेट एन आंसर. नाउ दैट कम्स विद अ caveat that this is an AI answer. No one can replace a professional, right? So that final view has to come from the professional, but from a basic lens, yes, you can use these agents and get a ready answer.
But what about the law firms? Like in US, some advocate has used the AI, and when they have used AI, he went with the AI robotic and things, and for arguing into court. But the court has says that we are not going to allow this. I'm
So
talking
I'll
about
tell
in
you the
US.
exact
They
system.
said we are not going to allow AI answering or arguing into court.
So I'll tell you what happened. So a lawyer made a submission before the court, right? So he quoted a case law which never existed. So AI has a problem of hallucination, that it creates content on its own which even doesn't exist. So it doesn't work in tax, right? So that is why EY has come up with this uh, zero hallucination technique by adding certain guardrails. And this is also backed by the verifiable databases. So let me put it this way. आज अगर आप केस लॉ एक प्रेजेंट करते हैं कोर्ट के सामने, उसकी एक साइटेशन होती है which proves that this is actually the case law behind this, right? So that is why with AI you can't trust it blindly, but you have to get someone with tax expertise so that it gives you the correct answer.
Okay. What I'm asking, what way, suppose you are here, but the
Right.
most of the people, those who are actually needed this, they don't know.
Right.
How the easiest way to reach them? They understand that we have a need,
Right.
you have a product,
So-
you have a technology, but the people, those who are actually using, they should be understand this thing into layman language, and this, it should be affordable to them. Tell me about something about this.
So how they have to reach is go to Google, type EY AI Tax Hub, right? That is how they will be able to see a web page. Then they can go to there and then reach out to us. And the rest of the piece can be discussed. For now, we are actually offering it for people to use it.
And how it is competitive to keep a normal CA or anyone into the advisory and coming to EY. Okay. So what is the trust factor?
So
Because the
time-
people, those who are CA, they knows them. So there is a one trust factor, and there is like one major one major issue is that when CA or doctor or lawyer, they should be confidential to us. when AI is not confidential, whenever you put all the data, he cannot advise you for what to do and
So
what
you're
not
right
to do,
to a such-
where to hide and what to do, because AI will show you everything.
So you're right
Whether
to a
it is
certain
right or
extent.
wrong.
You're right to a certain extent, but
So
that
how you
is
can,
why.
how the technology can compete with the traditional
So
CA
there is no
advocate or
competition. So let me put it this way: there is no competition. Now we have to be AI enabled. So it is like that. I am a CA. I have another CA. If he is doing the traditional way, he will take some time to create a advice, right? He'll take some time to go through the books. Now, if I am a CA and I'm using technology, leveraging technology, I'll give you an answer in a shorter span of time. So using AI, we are not replacing professionals. That is not the intent. But with AI, the way of working is going to get enhanced. To put it very simply, कंप्यूटर आने से पहले भी अकाउंट्स बनते थे और उसमें टाइम लगता था. कंप्यूटर आने के बाद अकाउंट्स अब कंप्यूटर पर बनते हैं, उसमें टाइम कम लगता है. सो सेम वे this AI is going to bring down the time which is needed to say give advice.
because what I have understood from the market earlier, the CA which were taking 3 to 6 months, now because of the AI, it deliver everything. Once you feed up the data, all the chart sheet, enter book sheet, everything they are giving into all the complex things they can sort out in within 15 days.
See, there is
So
no
the normal traditional people, they were taking 3 to 6 months, and because of the technology,
15
entire things they can give the report of whatever customer asks within 15 days.
possible, could be possible.
So
There's no
thus this thing is
quantification.
going to impact the professional, those who are small and those who are not adopting this technology, are in the future, are they going to affect?
So there is no competition with AI for the professional. Professionals competition is with other professionals who are embracing themselves with AI. So if someone is using AI, he is going to pace faster than the one who is not using an AI.
So how you compare about the charges, payment? Suppose whatever traditional CA and lawyer
is
advocate
very-
they are charging, and
I
how
get your
it
point.
is going to. There are two ways. One is a convenient. Second is a trust, confidential thing. Whatever they want or they have should be managed, and the cost effectiveness.
So this subject is very subjective, right? So there is no one way of answering it. So it depends, right? So it may depend upon whom he is reaching out to, what type of technology he is using. Now with regards to EY, whatever queries are asked by the clients using our EY.AI tax hub, right? Those are confidential. That is not used to train the data also, because largely with any LLM which is being used in the market today, like ChatGPT or Cloud, they are keeping your data, they are using it to train your models, but that is not with anyone who is like EY, who offers enterprise grade security to its customers, because for us the privacy and data confidentiality is the utmost priority.
You must be knowing about Odoo and Oyo. They are providing online software for everything. So how your thing is different than them?
So those are ERP solutions, right? What
But
we are
they have 63 to 65 software. First they provide like whether making account book or audit or finance or billing, everything they give free of charge, and then they charge.
So see, the difference is that is more of a.
You must be knowing about Odoo.
I've
and
heard the name.
Oh,
It is more like a, let me put it this way, ERP. What we are offering you is tax compliance solutions, right? So which helps you do compliances. You want GST, right? You want to file returns. That is what we are going to help you with. You want to maybe help with withholding tax returns. That is what we are going to help you with.
everything happens there in their software. You can even check.
I'll,
Because
since you
I'm
understand,
not technical guy. This is what they have told, and
there is difference.
present thing is $4 billion globally.
that is
And,
fine. See, there is standardization which has to happen from an Indian income tax law or GST law, because our laws are different. ERPs to a certain extent helps you, but they cannot help you file a withholding tax return.
Second thing,
Yeah.
the people those who are into India, those who are into audit and other things, they also have a huge clientele from US and even the Gulf, because the tax system and taxation and other thing, everything is different there.
Right.
what, how they are managing the people business into US and other country, Europe countries they have, because their taxation system is different. Still they are managing from India. The experts are there from India, and online they are managing everything.
So I am not sure how they are doing it today, right? But from our perspective, it is more to do with specialization. Or for any solution you are looking at, it is more to do with the country-specific specialization.
But
Which
do
it
you
should-
have this kind of special services for people those who are having a business into out of India?
There are various global
Do you-
solutions.
do you
which
have?
Yeah. So, yes, we do have, but again, from a tax point of view, as you can see, automating tax, right? So, tax point of view, yes, we have solutions, and on case-to-case basis, we reach out to the specific service lines.
Okay. Is there anything you want to tell to the crowd, people, those who are in,
Yes,
maybe your
definitely. One message: please don't look at AI as a danger, as a competition. Embrace AI, start using it, and increase the efficiencies in your businesses, be it from a tax or finance point of view.
Okay.
Thank you.